Hello friends, welcome back to pancakesonstudio.com. Today we will do chapter profit and loss. Okay, first of all, let me explain you what is profit and what is loss. It is simply sales minus cost. Sales price minus cost price is equal to, if it is positive then it is profit, and if it is negative then it is loss. So in case we need to calculate the profit percentage, simply profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Similarly, we can calculate the loss percentage. Okay, so this will be a value in x or y percent. So one of the very important point in this chapter is, in case profit percentage is 1/3 of cost price. So it will be equal to 1/4 of selling price. I can explain you with an example. For example, the cost price is ₹100. Profit is ₹25. So the selling price will be ₹125. The profit as a percentage of cost price will be, or if we calculate in fraction, it will be 1/4 of CP, cost price. And for selling price, if we calculate it in the terms of selling price, it will be 25 over 125 or 1/5 of selling price. So whenever we need to calculate the profit fractions, then simply we need to add 1 in the denominator in case of profit, and if there is a case of loss, we need to deduct 1. Okay, so if the profit percentage is 33%, 33.333% of cost price, then it will be 25% of sale price in case of profit. So if it is 25% of cost price, it will be 20% of sales price in case of profit. And in case of loss, if it is 20% of selling price, it will be 25% of cost price in case of loss. So let's do some very simple questions. Okay friends, let's do a very important question, very simple one. If a product is sold at 20% discount and its selling price is 24 rupees, what would be the selling price if discount rate is 30%? First of all, let me tell you that there is a mark price or list price on which the retailer or the wholesaler gives us a discount. So after deducting the discount rate, we get the selling price. Okay. If the selling price is 24, that means if we assume that list price is X and discount is 20%, so selling price would be 80% of mark price or list price. It is 24. Simply to find X, 24 multiplied by 100 over 80 or 5 over 4. We will do like this. Rupees 30 is list price. So if the discount rate is 30%, the final sales price would be 70% of the list price. It will be rupees 21. So rupees 21 will be our answer. This is the selling price if the discount rate is 30%. Okay, this will be our answer. So it was a very simple question. Okay, students, let's do a very important question. These questions are repeated in SBI PO 2012 and IBPS PO 2012 too. So cost price of 40 apples is equal to selling price of 30 apples. You need to calculate the profit percentage. There are basically two methods to solve this question. The first one is the simple one, to solve the question in 10 seconds. Cost price of 40 apples is equal to selling price of 30 apples. That means what? Whenever a person sells 30 apples, he saves 10 apples. So the profit percentage will be 1/3. Directly it's 1/3. So the second method is, let's assume that the what is the cost? First of all, we'll take the LCM of both of these. These will become 12, 4 and 3. So let's assume that a person buys 40 apples at 12 rupees per apple. So the cost of 40 apples is 480. Okay. So what is the selling price? Selling price of 30 apples is same as cost price. So what will be the per unit cost? It will become 16 rupees. So here he saves 4 rupees per apple. Okay. Then the profit percentage on the cost will become 4 over 12 is equal to 33%, 33.33%, or 1/3 of cost price. Okay. So in short, you can calculate as 1/4 of selling price. So this is a very important point. In case nothing is provided, that what kind of profit percentage you need to find, you need to find the profit percentage on cost price. If it is specifically explicitly explained that you need to calculate the profit on selling price, then only you need to calculate the profit on selling price. By default, you need to calculate the profit on cost price. So 1/3 or 33.33% is. Hope you like this video. Please like this video on YouTube. I'm providing this video as free. So in case you need more videos like this, you can buy my DVT. I have provided the link in the description. Okay. In case you have any kind of question or query, you can send me a mail at monty.exe@gmail.com. I have provided my email ID in the description. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.